Hello, everybody. My name is Cyril and I will be delighted to be your piano teacher here in Miami. I started my career at the age of 3. My mom put me in piano lessons because every time she was playing music on the TV and there was a pianist, guess who was standing in front of the TV doing like this? Me. So she realized I loved it and she decided to start paying lessons for me at the age of 3, and then I got into school and then college and then university, everything music related. I have a bachelor degree on arts. I graduated from the University of Arts in La Habana, Cuba, which I am originally from. I'm Cuban, and music has been in my life since I have memory. I don't remember a single day in my life that I was not a pianist. Life. I'm one of those people that I cannot live without music. For me, I get into my car, I play music. I'm taking a shower, music. I just got inside the house, music. I'm having a party, music. I'm just, I don't know how some people cannot have music every single day of their lives. For me, I'm miserable when I'm not having music around, to be honest. So my goal with these lessons is I want to help everybody that is interested in following the music path to get where they're going, to being able to enjoy what they do. So if you're interested and really want to learn how to read and how to be free and play whatever you want to play and not depend on YouTube tutorials, I'm here for you. You know what to do. Just click on my lessons and let's meet, let's talk, and let's see how it goes. I will be delighted to have you as my student. Have a good day. Bye bye.